Are you a top-tier freelancer looking to elevate your career and work with the best clients globally? Today, we're diving into the essential steps to become a Toptal Freelancer, a platform that connects world-class talent like you with extraordinary opportunities. First, visit the Toptal website and click the Apply as a Freelancer button. Next, complete the initial application. This usually involves providing your email, area of expertise, and some basic information about your experience. Be honest and thorough. The next stage is the screening process. This includes a series of tests that assess your technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and communication skills. Prepare yourself by studying the relevant materials for your field. If you pass the screening, you'll typically move on to live technical interviews. These interviews are conducted by Toptal experts who will evaluate your expertise in real time. Practice your technical skills and be ready to explain your thought process. After the technical interviews, you'll have profile review. They will review your profile to ensure it's high quality to impress future clients by presenting all of your experience in the best possible light. Finally, if you are approved, you'll be onboarded as a Toptal Freelancer. You can then start browsing projects, connecting with clients, and building your global freelance career. Congratulations! Remember to highlight your skills, be responsive, and deliver top-notch work. To succeed with Toptal, the possibilities are endless. Good luck joining the prestigious network and taking your career global.